Hello, beautiful lovelies, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm Hillary, and this is Happy Hillary's Nails. Today, I thought it would be a lot of fun to do some nail art for St. Patrick's Day, which is right around the corner. And I have out some green and gold polishes, and I'm going to be using this stamping plate. Hold on, let me see if I can get it to focus really quick. There we go. From Uber Chic Beauty. This is St. Patrick's Day 3 and companion plate for 1 and 2. So I'm going to be using this Argyle image here. This is a layered stamping. And then I'm going to use this Lucky right here down at the bottom because I think that's really pretty. So those are the images that we're going to use today for nails. I'm going to be using Holo Taco, Everything is Pine, and Holo Taco Gold Play Button as my base colors. Then I'm going to be using Maniology products. I'm using Lily Pad. This one is well used and definitely needs a replacement. This is It's Lit. I'm going to be using Maniology's Mint, which is this gorgeous light green. And then, of course, none other than Straight Up Black. We'll be using this today. And then I've got my stamper, my scraper, and all the extras that I'm going to need. So I'm going to move this out of the way. And we're going to start by painting our press-ons. So I'm going to zoom in so we can see a little bit better. And I'm going to do the first 3 fingers in the Everything is Pine. And then the pinky in Gold Play Button. And we'll probably need 3 coats of this because these are clear and because this is a glitter. So we're gonna need to build it up in 3 coats, which makes me terribly sad because I'm over halfway through this bottle and I don't want to continue to use it anymore because I don't want to not have it because I can't get it anymore. So we'll let those dry and put on our gold. This gold and green are perfect for St. Patrick's Day. And just wait till you see what we create. It's gonna be super cute. This is like stuck on there. Okay, well, good to know. I'll come back to the green. And really get in there, get all those little gaps filled in. So how is everyone's month? What are you doing for St. Patrick's Day? Are you celebrating or are you sitting this one out? I'm not a drinker, so I'm not going to be drinking for St. Patrick's Day, but I do love the food, so we'll probably be throwing, is it corned beef and cabbage? Is that right? Into the crock pot for St. Patrick's Day, and that'll be really yummy. All right, we've got these painted. I'm gonna let them dry, see if I need to do a 3rd coat, and I'll be right back. All right, friends, we are back. I did do 3 coats because I wanted to make sure that they were fully opaque, considering it's a glitter. So let's see if we can really see that sparkle. Super pretty. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to do the Argyle on the 3 green nails. I think that's what it's called. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's called Argyle. Let me pull up a reference really quick so I remember what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, perfect. So we're going to start with mint. And we're going to scrape down and we're going to pick up. How pretty is that? I'm not even going to try to get the closer stuff because it's not going to get on the nail. So I hope you guys can see. There we go. Now give me a second to line this up, make sure I'm in the camera, but also where I can see what I'm doing. There we go. Perfect. And now we're going to do the dark green on the second one, which is Lily Pad. All right, and do a nice low, slow scrape. Pick that up with our stamper. And I am going to line this up. And we're in there. Can you see how the dark green and the light green look now? There we go. It'll look better once it has that kind of disappeared on there. Oh no, 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 no. Okay. Okay. All right, let's clean this off and do the gold. I wonder if I should do 2 layers of that green because it really disappeared on there. And I thought it would stick out better. Okay, well, no, we're just going to go on to the gold. And that is It's Lit. And there we go. Okay, and then I'm going to line this up and lay this down on that green argyle. There we go. Okay, I'm hoping when we put top coat on it, it pops a little more. Clean up. And we'll start with the next nail. Okay, first we start with the mint. And I'm going to put this right down in the center. There we go. Clean off my stamper and my scraper card and get that off real quick. Dark green. Ooh, this definitely needs to be replaced here soon because it is low, 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 low. We're talking Flow Rida. Low, low, low. And we'll give this a stamp down in the center. Let me just line it up. Oh, that was terrible. I don't know what's going on. When I did these nails a couple years ago, and you'll see the picture at the end, the green showed up much more predominantly. And I know this is what I used because I wrote down the products I used on the post. So I know that it was these two polishes that I used. And the reason I picked this nail art was because when I posted this a couple of years ago, it was, well, 4 years ago now, it got 500 some likes. And I wish that I could say I get those kinds of likes now, but I'm definitely shadow banned by Instagram because they just do not show my pictures to anybody anymore. And I'm not sure why. I don't know what I did. I'm not sure if it was a nail art that I did that they were like, hey, no, you can't do that. And they started to lower my visibility to other people. But yeah, a couple years ago, I would get 400 or 500 likes on one of my posts, and now I'm lucky if I get 30 or 40 likes on a post. So I'm not really sure what that's all about. But you know what? What matters is the people who love me and care about me and want to see me succeed are showing up. And that's, you know, you ladies and gentlemen who sit through these videos and the people who post on, you know, who like my posts and who comment on my posts. I feel very, very blessed for that. So don't think I feel ungrateful, because I do not. I feel very blessed. All right, we're going to put this down in the middle. There we go. And now we'll clean up the scraper card and pick up the lily pad if I can. I think this is going to be one of my last couple uses of a lily pad. I'm going to have to find a new one if they sell it, or buy a different color or something, but hopefully they still sell this on their website. I can't remember if they do or not. Woo! I'm wondering if when I did it the last time, I double stamped. Sorry, couldn't see any of that. Like, you can see that green on there, but when I take this away, you cannot, and it just makes it look messy. So I don't know. I don't know how I feel right now about these. I'm feeling a little flustered, but in the end, I'll show you what the inspiration for these was, but the recreation that I'm doing, I'll show you, you know, what the original was, so you can see for yourself. All right, let me clean this off, and we're gonna pick up this little Lucky down here, and I'm gonna put that on the pinky sideways, and I'm doing that in straight up black. This one will turn out good. I know it will. Oh, I skipped a step. Did I skip a step? I did skip a step. Hold on. Okay, I'm still going to do my Lucky over here. Where's my scraper card? Oh my goodness. I'm so flummoxed right now. Okay. So I picked up that Lucky. Now I'm going to clean off underneath because we don't want any of that other nonsense on the nail. And like I said, I'm going to put this one on sideways. That gold is so bright. All right, now I need to go back and get our gold and put this on the Argyle nail. All right, so now what I'm going to do, since those are done, is put on the Maniology smudge-free top coat. Well, it brightens up that gold on there. I guess it brightens it up a little bit. So, okay. All right, so I'm gonna wait for that to dry and then put on a top coat. Alrighty, they are done. I did a top coat on them. They are super glossy, but they are a hot mess. Let's just say that. You can see this finger right here. The triangles, or the diamonds rather, are kind of all over the place. But I'm gonna pop a picture up right here and you can see what the picture that I took back a few years ago looks like. And that one definitely turned out a little bit better, but it's hard to do stuff on camera sometimes because you're trying to work at funny angles. But yeah, so anyways, these are some Argyle nails. If you have this Uber Chic Beauty plate and any of these Maniology polishes, even if you tried something with a different color scheme, maybe purples or blues or yellows, any time of year would be fun. So this is that, and then I'll show you Lucky. So yeah, so anyways, I hope you all had fun watching me make these nails. I know I had a lot of fun making them. It was fun trying to recreate something that I'd done in the past and see if I could do it again. I hope everybody has an amazing day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.